Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable Save to Photos in Notes and what it does on iPhone. Today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.5.1, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it is all going to work the same on every iPhone. So, what you want to do is let's now open a note, and I don't have this option on right now, so I'm going to show you how it works. So let's just open this note right now, and let's maybe take a photo right now of something. So let's just maybe create this photo like this one, and then use a photo in this specific note. And now let's go back. So as you can see, we have a note with a photo right now, but we do not have this photo in our photos, as you can see. So now let's open settings, swipe down, tap on notes, swipe down again, and turn on the feature Save to Photos. So what it does, it automatically save photos and videos taken in notes to the Photos app. So let's now turn this feature on, and let's go back to the notes, and let's now add another photo. So take a photo or video, and now as you can see, let's add this photo right now. Use photo. As you can see, we have it in the note that we have taken it. And now let's go back and open photos, and this photo, as you can see now, it is in the photos. So if you want to have all the photos that you take to the notes or through the notes saved to your photos, just enable this function right here. So again, how to find it? So open main settings, swipe down, tap on notes, swipe down again, and click enable option Save to Photos. It's up to you whether you want to have it or not. Now it is on, now it is off. So just by clicking, you adjust it. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye.